Hello everyone, today we're going to show you another optical demonstration using a pyramid shaped mirror. So it's half transparent, half reflecting mirror in the shape of a pyramid. I put it in the middle of the telephone screen, and there are 4 images on each side of the screen that is projected on each side of the pyramid. And it's like a hologram, but it's not really a hologram, but image that is reflected from telephone to the pyramid. And because the images are different from each side, it's the illusion of 3D object. Very nice. You can buy it from AliExpress for $1-2. So I'll put a link below if you want to buy it. Also, you can buy it from Amazon for a little bit more. But that's it. A nice imitation of hologram. Just reflecting the image on the screen. So the angle of the mirror is 45 degrees with respect to the telephone. And from a suitable angle you can see it. You see, this is the reflection of this image. Jellyfish image. You can see from different directions and the image will be slightly different, so you have the feeling of 3D image. Yeah, if you like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. You can give a thumb up, and there will be more videos, so subscribe to stimulate the channel and to enjoy more videos like this one. Okay, so probably you can rotate the telephone to see it from different perspective. Okay, this shark is good, so I can rotate it here. See it from different sides of the pyramids, and the 4 images below the telephone. You can see it from this side, or I can rotate it a little bit more to see these images from the other side. And basically that's it. Yeah. If you enjoyed, thumbs up and subscribe for the channel. Thank you. Bye.